Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the versatile 3-in-1 Baby Bassinet, a must-have for any new parent. This innovative bassinet functions as a standalone crib, a bedside sleeper, and a portable travel bed, adapting to your specific needs and preferences. Crafted with breathable mesh, it ensures optimal airflow and visibility, while the adjustable height feature allows you to align it perfectly with your bed for easy access to your baby. Designed with convenience in mind, this bassinet is easy to assemble and fold, making it perfect for travel or compact storage. It also includes a handy storage basket for essentials like diapers and wipes, and wheels for effortless mobility around the house. Plus, the complete package comes with a supportive mattress to ensure your little one gets a restful sleep. Experience enhanced safety and comfort with our Baby Bassinet, designed to make your parenting journey smoother and more enjoyable. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.